delegated that function to me. And as it were, he directed me, like he does anytime he sends me out of the country, to make sure that despite how tight the schedule is, I create time to have an engagement with our people. The reason why we try all the time, whenever we travel out of the country, to meet our people, is because that's what our whole leadership is all about. It's about the people of Kenya. We think Kenya, we sleep Kenya. Our whole life and chemistry is around the Kenyan people. And we are elected by the people. So it's really about the people of Kenya. So even as I've come here to Rome to meet the world, to talk about food systems, transformation in matters financing, my only interest in the conference that I've attended today and tomorrow and the day after is about Kenya and the Kenyan people. So it wouldn't make sense to meet foreigners and other people to push Kenya's interest when you have not met the people of Kenya whom you are working for. I want to say thank you very much to our ambassador and her team for the warm welcome. The team has really taken very good care of us. And if that is the way the ambassador takes care of you, then I think you are good people. We have had a very nice time, and despite a very heavy schedule, she has really, with her team, made us feel very comfortable and very welcome. And our engagements today have been well planned, well thought out, and they have been seamless. I'm here in Rome to represent President William Ruto to discuss with the world about food systems transformation. You know our country, our economy is driven 80% by agriculture. And you know how important food is to all of us. Why you are out here in Italy working, first and foremost is to put food on the table. Other things follow. Am I right? So we are talking about food. And in our country, we have a very serious challenge because of the negative effects of climate change. We have just come out of a very serious drought, the worst in 40 years, after 5 failed consecutive seasons. We had a serious food deficit. We could not get maize. Our Minister for Agriculture went to Zambia, got nothing. He went to Tanzania, got nothing. Went to South Africa, got nothing. Maize was available in Brazil. But the cost of transporting from Brazil, by the time it gets to Kenya, it will be very expensive.